Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn with the X platform or the Twitter platform. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. First, head to your Twitter website and then log in into your account. After that, we will need just to go to the settings and privacy by going here to the navigation bar, clicking on more here. So basically, either you will go directly to monetization or you can just go to settings and privacy and we will find monetization settings here. So basically, there are two available programs so you can earn money with X. So first, either by subscription, you will earn money by letting anyone subscribe to your for monthly content, or you can just have some income from the ads revenue sharing. So these two programs have some requirements to meet. The first one, you will need to have first verification mark or to have the premium version of X platform. And of course, you will need to have at least 500 followers on your Tweet account and to be active in the past 30 days. Otherwise, if you want the revenue or the ads program, you will need to subscribe to premium or verified organization and have at least 5 million impression on your post within the last 3 months. And of course, you will need to have the minimum of 500 followers. So to get verified, you will need just to go to premium here and basically choose any premium plan so you can have the verification mark on your profile. So you choose either the premium or premium plus plan, and of course choose either the monthly or annual plan and click on subscribe and pay, and of course it will take you to the payment gate of uh, X platform or the Twitter platform. So basically, this is how you can earn money with X. Thank you for watching and see you next time.